solar system formed, and solar system is also known as Milky Way galaxy. And we'll read about four planets and their structure and their moons, how many moons they have. We'll learn. Okay, in brief, we'll learn today, and I will explain you later. Okay, see, our Milky Way galaxy is made up of many gases and meteoroids also. So see, many gases emerged themselves and formed many things. See, these all are gases and meteoroids. Yeah, see. First it came sun. Sun was there already. How the Milky Way galaxy formed, I will tell you later in explain. First we'll read about sun. See, sun. Sun structure first we'll see. Sun has four zones: phosphorus, connective zone, relative zone, and cone. See here brief. See, this all I will tell you later. First we'll see all the planets. Okay, then we'll see about Mercury. See, Mercury. See, Mercury. Mercury is the most coldest planet. It is the most coldest planet, and we'll read its structure. It has three structure: crust, mantle, and core. Crust is the outer, and mantle is the that ball you can see, and that core is the inner side. Okay. Okay, this I will explain you briefly in my next video. Only for now I'm sending the video. Yeah, sun. One thing I have forgotten to tell. Sun is also known as yellow dwarf because it is yellow in color. Okay, then now we'll see Mercury, then Venus we'll see. Yeah, see Venus we'll see actually. See Venus is the most hottest planet because sunlight directly comes to Venus. So Venus is the hottest star. So Venus is also a star. Okay. Then wait, we'll see about their structure. See, Venus has four: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. See their explanation. I am telling. Crust is crust. I will tell you later about it. Brief. I will tell. First, I am telling completing all the solar system structure and their moons. We'll first discuss that. I think so. Then Earth. See Earth planet system. We'll see what the Earth is. See. We'll see first Earth. See, Earth about 71% Earth surface is covered by salt and water. See, oceans are there. So 71% is made up of salt, and 30 remaining is taken by 7 continents and land masses. Okay. See, you know how the rotation happens, and what is a revelation, what is how day and night formed. I will tell you in this video only. See, day and night formed. See, what are see? There is sun. That sun. See, this Earth rotate around that sun, and see, in a day 24 hours. Why in a day there are 24 hours? Because the Earth take 24 hours to complete one day. See, if the light faces toward the Earth's right side, then that side will be there, and another left side that will be at night. Okay, and that side moon will be there, and if the sun goes to left side, then moon will come to that side where the light is not there. Okay, and see, revelation causes changes of seasons. How the season changes? See, now it is so winter. And after winter there will come autumn, summer. That all will come. Okay, see. Okay, then we'll see about its. We'll see about Earth. We'll see about structure. Earth have four: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Okay, I will explain this all later. First, we'll see all planets. We'll see first. Then Earth has only one moon. Mars is a Mars. See, Earth कैसे होता Mars? Mars is also known as living planet, because in Mars there is life. Scientists also gone and shown that there is air, little bit air is there in Mars. It is also like Earth. See, it is a half as big as Earth, या अर्थ का ऐसे है, और उसमें ज़्यादातर रॉक से और पोलर आइस से, मतलब ज़्यादा बर्फ़ है. ओके, ठीक है. देन विल सी अबाउट स्ट्रक्चर. सी स्ट्रक्चर, इट हैज़ 3 types: crust, mantle and core. ठीक है. See, crust, this all I will tell you later. I don't have time much. I will explain you. See, and Mars has 2 moons. Deimos is one. Deimos is one moon, and another. See, Deimos is one moon, and Phosphorus is another moon. Okay. See, Mars contain 2 moons. See, this and this. Okay, then we'll read about more. We'll read about Jupiter then. See, Jupiter is, see, Jupiter is most like Sun. Jupiter भी सन के ऐसे ही है, वो कंपोज करता है मेनी स्टार्स. एंड जुपिटर देर आर सो मेनी स्टार, मतलब बहुत सारा तारा सब जुपिटर में है. ठीक है. और ये बिकम बेटा, देन विल सी द स्ट्रक्चर. It consists of 3: atmosphere, metal and core. See, this I will explain you later. I have told you. See, then wait, I will explain how many moons are there. See, in Jupiter there are 3 types of moon: Castolos, Europa, Gemino and Allo. We'll see. Castola is like this, Europa is like this, and Gemini is like this, Allo is like this. We'll briefly explain you in my next video. I will briefly explain you. This is wait. Mars. Then we'll move to Saturn. See, Saturn, इसको शनि ग्रह भी बोला जाता है. Saturn, ठीक है. Okay, we'll see. Saturn is the 6th planet in the solar system, and it is the 2nd largest planet. First is the largest planet is Sun, then second is Saturn. Okay. See, it has so many mass, and it is also known as ring. It is see, a ring is made up of many dust particles, and it has 150 moons. Okay. Let's see how structure. It has 3 structure: mantle, core and atmosphere. That only I will explain you later. We'll see about the moon. See, there are 150 moons, but see, first one is Dawn. These are all many important, and Hyperion. See, these all are moons name. See, I'm showing you all. See pictures. See, I will explain this all things in my next video. Please support me and like me. See, then Uranus will see. Uranus is the third largest planet. ठीक है. Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system. Okay. See, Uranus is discovered by the modern telescope by William Herschel in 1781. See, Uranus. Okay. See, then we'll see about structure. It has divided into 3: that only atmosphere, mantle and core. That I will explain you later about all. See, then we'll see about its moon. How many moons? It has consists of many moons, but we'll read only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moons, 6 moons. Okay. See Ariel, Meridian, Aurora, Puck, Etel, and this. Okay. See, then we'll learn about the we'll then see about the after Saturn we'll see. Wait. Sun, then we'll see Earth over, Mars also over. No, wait, we'll see it. Where is the Jupiter? Let me search. Mars, no, wait. We are in Uranus, then Neptune. See, Neptune. See, Neptune. देखो, Neptune का मून है. Neptune के पास एक मून, देखो, Neptune lies there. See, it consists of many planets. See, Prosperous it is moon. See, we'll learn. Okay, beta solar system. Then Neptune. See Neptune. Structure first period, it contains of atmosphere, metal and core. This all I will explain you later. Okay, then I think you any doubts is there? Then you all can contact me. See, I am showing the picture. See, there is the sun. See moon. You can see. I think so. See moon. You can see. Yeah. See, yeah. See this. See. This is the moon, sun, Mercury is there. See this all I will tell you in next video. Okay, then I thought that might be clear. Pluto I will not explain. Pluto is also known as dark planet. I will explain this in later my next video. Okay friends, thank you for supporting me. Support me, like my video and follow me. Okay, thank you.